Hi guys, this is Dr. Farjan. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Like always, it's a pleasure to connect with you. Today I'm going to share a simple strategy that you can use to detach from human dysfunction, human unfoldings, right? Unconscious behavior. Quick strategy that you can use. This applies to work, home, commute, gatherings, whatever it may be, right? So when you come across those negative interactions, what do? Simply notice it and just say, just human nature, it's not personal. Just human nature, it's not personal. Another strategy that you can use is say to yourself, human nature, let it go, let it go. Notice it and say, human nature, let it go, let it go. And the third strategy, notice it and say, human nature, zone it out, zone it out. Human nature, zone it out, zone it out. What ends up happening is then you go about your day without personalizing anything, without absorbing anything, right? Getting into a negative state or a reactive state. You understand that part of human nature comes unconscious behaviors, right? Comes programmings, comes societal influences, comes childhood experiences. All of that, right? Take place in this one person. So unless they have done the work, they have worked on themselves immensely, and they've learned to detach and grow and use all their experiences as wisdom, right? Who've kind of got on the path of enlightenment. That's when you're going to see less of those behaviors, right? Those negative behaviors. So in the meantime, how do you go about your day without personalizing it and staying in a present and peaceful state? Notice it and use those strategies. Just human nature, it's not personal. Just human nature, let it go, let it go. Human nature, zone it out, zone it out. All right, guys, I hope this is helpful. Take care of yourself. You guys rock.